Child of God, I just want to share this thing with you today. In 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 13, the Bible says, "There has no temptation taken you, but such as is common to man. But God is faithful, who will not suffer you to be tempted above that you are able, but will with the temptation also make a way to escape, that you may be able to bear it." A way of escape has been provided for you. My Bible says that every situation or every condition of life is very common among men. You are not the first one in that condition. What you are seeing today, somebody saw it yesterday. What you are going through today, Paul and Silas went through it. My Bible also says that God is faithful, who will not only allow you to be tempted or troubled above that you can bear, but will also in that situation, in that condition, in that temptation, make a way of escape for you. I don't know what you are going through, my brother, my